Hello everyone. Today our class is about reading. Reading makes you fluent in everyday life, especially in speaking. So start reading and listening. These two skills make you fluent in speaking English. So please subscribe my channel. It's Harris English Language Program and press the bell icon. So let's start our class today. Our class is about my mother. So I start reading and you start listening about it. My mother is the most precious person in my life and the heart of our family. She is a symbol of love, kindness, and sacrifice. From the moment I was born, she has cared for me with endless affection and devotion. Her presence brings peace and comfort to our home. My mother works tirelessly every day to take care of the family. She manages the house, prepares meals, and ensures that everyone is happy and healthy. Even when she is tired, she never shows it. Instead, she continues to serve us with a smile. Her strength and patience teach me the true meaning of responsibility and selflessness. One of the qualities I admire most about my mother is her compassion. She is always ready to help others, whether they are family members, neighbors, or strangers. She listens to my problems with great attention and gives me wise advice. Whenever I feel sad or confused, her words give me hope and courage. My mother also plays an important role in my education and character building. She encourages me to study hard, respect others, and follow the right path in my life. Her guidance has shaped me into a better person, and I am proud to be her child. In conclusion, my mother is my greatest blessing. Her love is unconditional and her sacrifices are countless. I can never repay her for everything she has done for me, but I will always try to make her proud. She is truly my hero, and I will always love and respect her. "20 difficult words with Pashto and Dari translation." I say the words 3 times and you look at the meanings in Pashto and Dari. Precious, precious, precious. Symbol, symbol, symbol. Sacrifice, sacrifice, sacrifice. Devotion, devotion, devotion. Comfort, comfort, comfort. Next page. Tirelessly, tirelessly, strength, strength, selflessness, selflessness, compassion, 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 attention, 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 courage, courage, courage. Next page. Education, 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 character, character, character. Encourage, encourage, encourage. Respect, respect, respect. Guidance, guidance, guidance. Countless, countless, countless. Blessing, blessing, blessing. Thanks for the watching, but before going to end our class, write 3 sentences in the column box about this reading. Thanks for watching.